Okay, para hindi masunog yung face mo, listen, makinig ka. Meron ba bang gumagamit ng skincare set hanggang ngayon? Guys, natatandaan nyo ba yung panahon na sobrang lahat ng brands naglalabas ng skincare sets? Yung tipong parang medyo nagsawa na tayo, pero nung naglabas yung Fairy Skin ng skincare set, binrake nila yung barriers. Lalong-lalo na yung mild facial kit, ito yung first kauna-unahang skincare set na fragrance-free. And lahat talaga minahal ito. Lalong-lalo na nung nag-release din sila ng premium brightening set, and tinuro ko sa inyo guys kung paano sila gamitin both. Okay, para hindi masunog yung face mo, listen, makinig ka. Meron tayong tinatawag na night 1, night 2, night 3, night 4. Okay, let's start. So first, para magawa mo yung skin cycling, kailangan meron kang both skincare sets. So sa night 1, retinol night tayo. Okay, gagamitin natin is the premium brightening facial foam from the premium brightening set. And gagamitin natin tong retinol based serum, which is the premium brightening serum, also from the premium brightening set. Sa routine na to guys, pwede kang mag-add ng moisturizer. Much better kung meron kang moisturizer na walang whitening actives. As in basic moisturizer, pwede kang mag-add. Or kung wala ka namang moisturizer, you can layer the serum with the water essence toner from the Fairy Skin Mild Facial Kit. Itong tatlo lang sa night 1. And syempre sa morning, gumamit ka ng sunscreen. Night 2 naman, same pa rin, pero dito gagamitin mo na guys yung toner. Same face wash, yung premium brightening facial foam, and then itong premium brightening toner. And you can add again moisturizer, or you can layer the toner with the Glow Booster Serum. Cleanse, tone, and then hydrate. Sa night 3 and 4 naman guys, gagamitin mo lang yung mild facial kit. Lahat ng products from the mild facial kit, gagamitin mo lang, and you can add then moisturizer if you want. Sa morning naman guys, you can just use the face wash from the mild facial kit. And syempre, do not forget to wear sunscreen sa umaga. Tip ko lang sa inyo to guys ha. Kung ayaw nyo masunog yung skin nyo, kung gusto nyo maging successful yung skin cycling journey mo, mag-sunscreen ka always. 2 reminders, always wear your sunscreen sa morning. Moisturize or hydrate your skin. Huwag nyong hahayaan na mag-dry yung skin niyo para hindi masira yung skin barrier nyo. And gamitin nyo ng tama mga skincare sets. And another tip pala guys, if extra sensitive yung skin mo, di ba sabi ko night 1 and night 2 ito, pwede mo namang gamitin ito na lang throughout your skin cycling journey. Ayun lang guys. I love you.
Want to achieve that bright and glowy skin? The Fairy Skin Skin Cycling Duo is the answer. Skin cycling is the ultimate skincare journey tailored to your skin's natural cycles. It's a 5-day skincare routine where you cycle between exfoliation, retinol, and hydration. Starting off with the mild facial kit. Use these products every morning for day 1 to 5. This contains soothing and hydrating ingredients that strengthen skin barrier. This is a perfect set in achieving clear and glowy skin. Next is the Premium Brightening Kit. Use these products every night for day 1 to 5. This contains exfoliating acids and retinol. This helps you surface the skin, reduce the appearance of large pores, and fade dark spots. So if you want to have a balanced skincare routine, try this Cycling Duo set of Fairy Skin.
Let's try the Skin Cycling Duo by Fairy Skin. Day 1, morning routine, the Glow Booster Gel Cleanser. Then Water Essence Toner. Next is the Glow Booster Serum. And last is the Sunscreen Gel Cream. Day 1, night routine, the Premium Brightening Facial Foam. Next is the Premium Exfoliating Toner. Last is the Glow Booster Serum. For day 2, morning routine. Just repeat the steps on the day 1 morning routine. The main idea for the skin cycling is to mix and match. Or alternately use the Premium Brightening Kit and the Mild Facial Kit. Day to night routine, start with the toner, followed by the booster gel. And that's it, a visible result in just 2 days. Try it yourself to believe.